In this video, I want to show you how to put your HP SmartTank 6001 printer into Wi-Fi pairing mode. So right over here, you see this is the Wi-Fi button, and if the light is not blinking blue, it's not in Wi-Fi pairing mode. So how do you put it? Well, it's quite easy. Step number one, make sure there is something on the display. If the display is blank, like in this case, press any button. It's not important which one you press, just to wake up the screen. Next step, you're gonna press this I button during 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're gonna notice the whole control panel is now lit up, all the buttons. Press the Wi-Fi button and the X button for 5 seconds until the Wi-Fi light is blinking blue. So let's do it and keep an eye on the Wi-Fi light. 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, release. And as you see, it's now blinking blue. The printer is now in setup mode, in Wi-Fi pairing mode, setup mode, doesn't matter how you call it, it's the same thing. Go ahead, open your HP Smart app or HP app on your phone, and you'll be able to set up this printer with your phone and start printing. Thanks for watching, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you in the next video.